This is my favorite car. I like it because it's my favorite color. Hello guys, my name is Benedict and today I want to tell you about one of my favorite transportation. Wait a minute. It's car. I like car because when I'm 3 or 2 years old, when I go to mall, I ask my mom to buy a toy car. Now I want to show you my toys. This is double cabin. This is fan. This is a monster truck. This is a jeep. This is a race car. This is sedan. This is SUV. Do you know which one is my favorite car? This is my favorite car. I like it because it's my favorite color. The color red with a double cabin. Now I want to tell you part of car. This is window, this is the roof, this is the bonnet, this is the wheels, this is the tire, this is the door, this is the headlight, this is the brake light, this is the door. That's the part of the car. Anyway, friend, to drive a car you must have an identity card and driving license. Do you know the traffic regulation? If you see red light, that means you have to stop. If you see green light, you may go. If you see yellow light, that means you have to slow down. Guys, do you want to drive with me? Let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to drive a car. First, you have to fasten your seatbelt. Are you ready? Let's go. What happened to the car? No battery. So friends, when you're driving, don't forget to follow the traffic light. Bye!